What is up, YouTube? Day 3 of going to the same thrift store 5 days in a row, seeing what we could find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. First 2 days, success. Third day might get a little difficult because this is when I've already seen everything in this store twice over. It really depends on how much they decided to put out. Hopefully they put out a lot today. I don't know, it's a little bit later in the day than yesterday, so I keep coming a little bit later in the day in hopes that more and more stuff is put out. Let's see what we find. Alright, video game section is looking about the same as it has well, actually no. Got some different games in here this time. Just Dance is new, I think. This Red Steel 2 is new. Oh my gosh, $13. What is that? We'll put that right back. Let's see. Ooh, an Eco collection for $6. That might be okay. We'll check that out. Also, this looks new. Volume 1, Batman the Animated Series on DVD. That might be good. Who knows? Let's see what else we have in here. It looks like they're starting at $4 today for the games. Ooh, Cursed Mountain. I remember this game. That might be okay for $6. It might not be. Who knows? I have no idea what this is, but $5? It's a Capcom game. That might be cool. Let's see what else we got in here. Go Diego. Guitar Hero World Tour. That's actually not terrible on PS3. I don't think the Wii is worth too much. Oh, a Rabbids Party Collection. $15. I mean, I don't think it's worth that much, but I'm going to look it up and see how far off they are. So I have to assume it's very far off. Alright, let's look these up. Alright, these two were worth it. The Ico collection and the Cursed Mountain game. I know I popped up some prices while I was flipping through real quick, because that's just what I do. But we will grab these, we'll stick them in the cart, and 2 winners right off the rip. I'm happy. Alright, so I'm going through all the media, and this thrift store used to have VHS tapes for $1 a couple years ago, and they've gotten rid of VHS tapes, and then I just looked down here and they have a whole bunch of them. I'm like, cool, are they probably $1 now, right? Everything's gone up. No, $3. $3 for each one of these. That is absolutely insane. They're probably going to stay here. I don't know anybody spent $3 on VHS tapes. Now this might be worth it. It's sealed. Little Mermaid. Yeah, fully sealed for $3. We'll scan this in, see if it's worth anything, but the rest of them at $3 each, that's crazy. Alright, so the Little Mermaid at $3, here it is on Amazon. Lots of reviews, selling for $14.49. I double my money, but there's no FBA sellers. So I might be able to list it for $20 and make some money there. So I'll grab it, but that's about the only one I'm going to grab at that price. Alright, back at the board games, and looks like they've stocked a decent amount of stuff since yesterday. And this Simpsons Clue right here, priced at $1.99. That's what we like to see. I'm seeing lots more $2.99s and $1.99s, probably because they have to move stuff, because these shelves are getting packed. And this guy is great. I scanned him in, and here he is selling for $55. He'll make $36.36. That's solid. That's going in the cart. Another one I like to buy all the time that was right next to it is this Rush Hour game right here. And it's not new, it's used, but there's only a few pieces in here. Let's see what this one's going for. Alright, so I'm going to scan it right back in and see what comes up. And ooh, it's actually been dropping in price. That's interesting. So it looks like new Amazon has the price low at $15. So you'd only make $7.79. Yeah, used. Yeah, you'd only make about $7 on this thing. If it was $1, it'd be worth it. At $3, yeah, you're only making $4. I'm not gonna do that. I gotta make at least $5 on whatever I'm grabbing here. That's kind of my threshold lately. Minimum of $5 profit. So we're gonna keep scanning. All right, still checking out some of these board games. I want to show you guys this Oceanopoly here. It would have been perfect. It's brand new sealed, but it's priced at $8. After fees, I'd make about that $5, but I don't want to spend $8 to make $5. You know, after shipping, I'd actually make less than $5. So we'll leave this behind. If it's on half off day tomorrow, I think it'll be half off. No, tomorrow it should only be 25% off. So we'll probably end up leaving that. But if we move over here, I saw this cool Goku Super Saiyan figure. Now it's taped up, so I have no idea how the condition is in here, so I don't know if it's new or not, but it's only $3. I might try to cut it open and see. It's not on Amazon, but it's cool. And right next to it is this Downton Abbey board game. This thing is sweet. I'll pop up the price for you guys. It's only $3.99, so definitely a score. We'll grab it. All right, Ashley just pulled out this Kraken Attack. I've never seen it before. What's the price on it? Let's flip it. $2.99. I think yellow is 50% off, so it's only $1.50, which is pretty awesome here. It looks new, but it's probably used inside. And here it is on Amazon with a little bit of a high rank, but not too bad. And sells for about 24 bucks. Nobody's selling it used, so maybe 20 bucks. We'll grab it. All right, I believe I mentioned this yesterday, or maybe the day before, but Monopoly Junior, anything Frozen, the very first Frozen game is always worth money. I don't know why. The second one, just not worth anything, and I'm going to show you guys a perfect example. This Monopoly Junior Frozen 1 is selling brand new sealed for 50 bucks, and it's selling used for 26. Still has some good value. Now, this one is in really rough condition. There's tape all up in there, up against the money, so I'm gonna leave it behind. But if we move down here just a little bit, you'll see there is a game right on the corner here, a Frozen 2 game, some sort of splash match game. But this is not gonna be worth anything. You can even see right here, they had it marked down to $9.99 at some sort of pharmacy. But we'll scan it in together and I'll show you guys that. There we go. Look at that. Brand new. It's selling for $11.98. Used only $7.99. Bad reviews also. Only 3 stars. Nobody likes the Frozen 2 stuff. Frozen 1, keep an eye out. Frozen 2, avoid. I'm not a huge fan of dolls or anything like that, but this one, Daddy's Little Tiger, is on a whole nother level of creepy. It's $20 also, which is insane. Who's gonna buy that? I have no idea. Alright, this is pretty cool. It's a Patriots winter hat. It's actually super soft. It's nice. It's a new era. It's $3.99. Good price. Brand new with the tags. Originally priced at 30 bucks. I scanned it in on Amazon and oh no, I just realized the threading came off right here. It's supposed to be attached and it's not. Well, there goes that idea. We'll just leave it here, but I was gonna try and sell it on eBay, but not anymore. That can hang out on the shelf. All right, I just found something pretty cool looking. I saw this out of the corner of my eye. This little Rival brand, never heard of it. I like the colors though, the colors are really cool. Looking on there, I'm like, all right, this looks neat. This looks very 90s. And then I pulled it out. I saw the price of 13 bucks. I'm like, man, that seems a little high. Flip it down and I saw that. It says NHL. Like, okay, NHL, but there's nothing on here. What's going on? Then I look down, and look at that. There's a patch of the original Florida Panthers logo from the 90s, and on the side there's a NHL tag, NHL ice tag. It's a shame it's so small on there, but they're in the Stanley Cup final, and I think they're going to win. I'm rooting for them, so this might be worth about 30 bucks. It's not a crazy killer score or anything. If it had a big logo on the back or on the front maybe, but I'm gonna grab it at $12.99, and if anything I'll keep it. But that is so cool. All right, so I cut open into this Dragon Ball Z figure right here, so I was curious, and it's all new in here. The first bag is ripped open, but all the pieces are in there. Every other bag is sealed, so I'm like, okay, this could be pretty good. But then I took a quicker look and noticed on the sticker sheet his main emblem is missing and one of the red strips is missing. So whoever had this peeled those 2 stickers off for some reason. I don't know why. So that, I think, kind of kills the value. I don't know. I'm sure somebody wants it to be fully complete so they could build it with all the stickers. So even though it's only $3, I'm gonna leave it behind. All right, one thing we did get extra here is this Monopoly Cheaters Edition. We opened it up and it's pretty much new inside. All the pieces are in there. It was well kept, so I like that. I really hate counting Monopoly pieces, but everything was wrapped up and put in here nicely at $2.50 since it's half off. That's a good deal. We're getting that. I think it sells for about $28, $30. And then looking in these baggies of toys real quick, I love the ones that have a whole bunch of different smalls. Like here's a little Funko Pop from Five Nights at Freddy's. That's pretty cool. It's only $1.99. But if it's just him in here, yeah, nothing else in there is that cool, so we'll leave that. So there's a little Mr. Krabs toy. I don't know what he's from. Oh, and a Squidward. getting cooler, and a Sandy, and a Stretcher Armstrong guy. This one's not bad. Still not the coolest bag. It's probably only $1. It's $2.99, so I don't think it's that great. What else do we have in here? Some cars? No. I like the ones that have a whole bunch of cool toys from well-known properties and all that, but I'm not seeing anything like that here today, sadly. Here's another baggie filled with some toys. It looks like some Despicable Me bunnies or something. I don't know, Pixar toys. Not in a Garfield with a pizza. That's kind of cool, but no, not good enough. Same thing over here, nothing. So, alright, I don't think the baggies are going to pan out. What's this? Spider-Man motorcycle, maybe? Yeah, Spider-Man car, Spider-Man motorcycle. Nah, we'll leave that. They do have more baggies, not with the toys, but kind of just housewares. I saw this cool tiger right here. I don't think he has any value, but I really like it. The Thirst Tamer with the old logo of the ExxonMobil gas station. It's on both sides, actually, for $1.99. Comes with an extra one, too. It's cool. I don't think there's a lot of value in it, so we're going to leave it. There's a few cool ones like that, like this Disney Coca-Cola one down here with, what's that dragon's name? Figment, I think. It's kind of cool. Epcot. Yeah, I don't know. There's a little Starbucks. Not really the good Starbucks ones. Bunch of greeting cards. 99 cents. It's not bad if you want to stockpile. What else do we have here? I never really have good luck in this section. Nothing here ever looks good to me. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Here's some old toothbrushes. We'll leave that. Let's see. They have so many of these baggies here. It's got to be something decent, right? Here's some neon tack. I don't even know what that is. Some grip. Oh, grip for like a tennis racket, I think. No. Yeah, none of this. I don't think any of this stuff has resale value. What's down here? Some baby bottles. Leave those. I think we're leaving everything down here. I think so. They close in about a half hour, so I want to be kind of quick with what I go through. Alright, I'm almost at the end of the baggies. I saw this and I liked the color, so I wanted to look into it. I think it's still sealed in there, which is nice. Some sort of instant refreshing gel. I have no idea, so I scanned it in. I don't know if it has an expiration date on here. I don't see any, so that's nice. I scanned it into eBay, and let me show you guys. Here are the solds. $35.80. There's 33. This one only went for 25. There's one for 40. 24.40. So not bad. Probably $35. Let's see what it's selling for. I haven't checked yet. Oh my gosh, why? They must have looked it up also. Alright, well, we'll leave it. I'm not spending $13 to possibly sell it for $30. I don't know if it's new in here. So if I rip it open, they won't sell it. So we'll leave that. But at least I know now. So I might just leave it on here. I don't think many people are going to look this up. And on half off day, maybe I'll grab it for $6, but I'm not spending $13. This thrift store has you covered on lingerie. Look at this. That is, oh, it's actually new with tags. $68. They're asking $15. Here's a bra and panty set. Some, oh my gosh, are they all new with tags? The Victoria's Secret, all brand new with tags. That's what all of this is. Holy moly. That's crazy. Bombshell adds 2 cup sizes for $10. Is this actually good? I don't know if this is a good deal or not, but it's all Victoria's Secret. Look at that. There it is. $25. Was $38, then $25, and the thrift store is asking $10. So maybe it's good. I don't know. There's a lot of it. All the underwear, $5. Wild. All right, back on the electronics wall. I saw a whole bunch of Wii remotes hanging down here. If they were a couple bucks each, I'd grab them all. This one probably not. It's missing the back cover, but they're $8 each, just out of range. If they were $4 each, they'd all be mine. They got a bunch. They have the nunchucks up here, but the one, oh, there's even a Skylander portal. I know the one for Xbox One sells. Oh, does that actually say Xbox One? I think this one's worth money. I don't know. But we're gonna grab it because I'm pretty sure it is. I don't know. I could be completely wrong, but I think that's a really good find. Another really neat thing is this Pac-Man plug-and-play game right here. It's a little busted. I see some scratches on it, but I think it could clean up. It's $3.99. I looked it up, and here it is on Amazon. You could see it right there. New selling for 90 bucks. What's it going for? Used $44.90, almost 50 bucks. That's pretty sweet. I don't know if it works. It doesn't power on, but for 4 bucks, I'm gonna take the gamble. Why not? Here's the SpongeBob mask from yesterday or the day before. Somebody moved it over here. Nobody wants it yet, though. All right, seeing if there's anything else over here in the electronics section. A bunch of these hoverboards. These things fell out of popularity real quick. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. It's also a cool, I think that's Gran Turismo driving wheel for the PlayStation. $70, but it's half off, so 35 bucks. I don't think that's good, but I'm gonna look into it real quick. I doubt it. All right, I just looked this up. It is half off, like I said, but even at half off, it's selling for 60 bucks. At least that one sold for 60. These newer ones with the metal pedals sell for over 100, but yeah, with the 3 pedals sells for well over 100. But yeah, this one right here, not much at all. We'll leave it. Oh, I just looked up the portal for the Xbox One, and there it is, selling used for 54 bucks. I was right. Holy moly. I remember hearing about that. The new one's selling for 100, but nice. Always make sure. Always check the back of them. I can't believe I found that right at the last minute, too. That's amazing. All right, I think it's time to head out. Ashley has the cart somewhere. My hands are full. I think we did really good today. We did better, I think, today than the other 2 days. That's amazing. Wednesday, good day. Let's get out of here, and hopefully tomorrow is even better. I need a garbage can for my back garage because whenever I'm working back there, I keep filling up these tiny like kitchen garbages real fast. It has a lid. It's nice. I kind of want it, but the price is $10. Is that good or bad? I don't know. I don't know. They have 4 of them here. There's another brown one in here and 2 blue ones. The blue ones don't have lids. I don't really need the lid, but if it was 5 bucks, I'd definitely grab it. I kind of need one though, and I think they cost a lot more than this. I don't know. I've never bought one. I think they're probably like 30, 40 bucks. I'll grab it. I need it. That's sweet. I got another good thing for myself. And now it's time to go.